Yo, what's up, Taa-seen? Welcome to the video, and today I'm gonna do the HPP shots. This is my parent, and this my parent. It was a girl called Phantom. So Harry, say hello.
Hello.
And today we're gonna be doing hard paper plane shots, HPP, I guess. And then we're gonna hit this iPad to the microwave and to the sink.
Really? I thought
Yeah.
you were gonna do that. Okay.
Yeah, but sadly, do not hit the TV. This TV is really delicate. But some of the TVs are not delicate, but some of the TVs are really delicate. Get ready for the first shot. Watch out. 3, 2, 1. It hit the packets. All out. Get throw bottom. Get throw bottom. Nice try, but keep doing it. One more time. Hurry. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Another one. Wait, I'm gonna sharpen it up. And it means that. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It went there! No, it went there. Look, can you see?
Oh no. I don't know if it can catch. Oh!
Oh. It was just there.
I know.
Did you see that shot? It went through right there.
You finished?
Nah. One more time. I'm gonna hit this thing again. 3, 2, 1. Almost through there, mommy.
Let's go. Shall I turn it on?
Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Smash like, subscribe, and I'm gonna throw the paper rain at you. See you next time. Peace out.